How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can enable direct messages or DMs from everyone on Discord. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, launch the Discord application in your mobile device. Once you're on your home page, tap on new icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top right, and once you're under settings, tap on content and social. Here scroll down a bit and hit toward the server settings. There you will find one toggle that says direct message. So in order to allow DMs, you have to turn on this toggle and then tap on yes. Here this will enable DMs from everyone in server you join. And once you have done that, you have enabled the direct message from everyone on Discord. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.